Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can recreate Moana in Avatar world. So this step-by-step tutorial will show you the exact combinations of outfits and accessories to make a perfect Princess Moana avatar. Now let's just get started. So first, let's choose the skin tone. So for the skin tone, I'm going to use this dark brown skin tone for Moana. This one in here. And for the eye, I'm going to just go with this one and change the color into dark brown color. And I'm going to add some eyebrow in here. This one, and change the color into the dark brown color. And for the mouth, I'm going to also just use smile one. Okay, I think I'm going to just use this one right here. And now for the hair, first I'm going to put on this hairs right here, and I'm going to use black for the hair color. Okay, now let's move on to the outfit. So I'm going to find the bottom first. For the bottom, I'm going to use this skirts right here. Change the color. Okay, to these colors right here, and let's remove the shoes because Moana doesn't wear one, and also the socks. Let's remove them. Now let's add the accessory for Moana. I'm going to use this, and then let's change the hair. So now let's go to this building to change the color, sorry, the hair. Okay, now let's add the Moana avatar before and put it in this chair and select, okay, this hairs right here. Now let's go back to customize the avatar. Okay, let's move on to the hair first, and again I'm going to add this hair, change the color to black all the way down, and also the back of the hair in black color. So you'll get this hair right here. And now let's change the outfits. So the top right here, so you need to go to this store and you'll get the top from here. So if you see this mannequin, you can just grab the top and put it on Moana, so it will become like this. So guys, this is Moana for you in Avatar world. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.